You're good to go.
Okay. Good morning. We're Group 10, also known as Sci-Hawk Innovators. Our company is dedicated to developing solutions for student wellness, recreation facilities, as well as services. We're a company that possesses the capacity to innovate better ideas for student wellness, as well as improving, utilizing, enhancing program services, and also impacting student wellness at Iowa State University.
So the problems we're going to address are packed gym spaces, the lack of exercise equipment in terms of human occupation, and the negative mental impacts of midterm grades, as well as detrimental resting periods that can influence the effect of your workout.
My name's Doug Temps, and in this company, I'm currently the CEO of Sci-Hawk Innovators. I'm currently majoring on entrepreneurship business. My experience in this field is working with charity organizations to overcome social problems, as well as other variety of problems. The strengths I possess is creating and coming up with better ideas, as well as bringing up good solutions. I'm good at adapting new challenges and basically helping team members. Also, I'm a good communicator and also initiator. Our end goal is to create more convenient and accessible student health and wellness opportunity programs on campus through the use of technology and creative thinking.
My name is Derek Storing. I'm primarily the product manager and HR representative at Sci-Hawk Innovators. I majored in management of information systems. Some of my key strengths are activator. I work well in team environments that have been known to galvanize teamwork, communication, make sure everyone's on the same page moving forward, given the project. Relator, I make sure, everyone's, inclusive, and I use an uplifting management style, and that really shows. And then obviously I'm analytical and strategic. Those are both key characteristics when you're carrying out a successful plan. I have relevant project management and database management experience, and my end goal is help facilitate perseverance and success at Iowa State.
My name is Jonah Warren. I am an HR manager at Sci-Hawk Innovators. I'm majoring in finance, and some of my strengths are adaptability to situations and different problems that come up, analytics, and my end goal is to create a more convenient and accessible student health and wellness opportunities and programs on campus through the use of technology and creative thinking.
My name is Philip Urban. I am the Chief Financial Officer of the Sci-Hawk Innovators. I am a major in accounting. My top strengths are consistency and adaptability. I have experience with financial budgeting and planning, and my end goal is to create more convenient and accessible student health and wellness opportunities and programs on campus through the use of technology and creative thinking.
So covering the four parts of teamwork, executing, influencing, relation building, and strategic thinking. Here at Sci-Hawk Enterprise or Innovators, we're pretty small a group, but we cover a lot of these different areas. We have people who are good at executing, influencing, relationship building, and strategic thinking. So as a group, I think we can kind of cover all those bases, and that's why we work well together.
So for the first problem we're going to address is gym space. Normally the state gym Iowa State University has offered to students are always packed and busy, both on weekends and weekdays. Therefore, students obviously don't have the privilege or the advantage of coming whenever they want and whenever they don't want because their schedule is pretty busy. And when they do come to the gym, obviously they find it very packed and busy. Therefore, they can't really get enough amount of workouts they need as well as recreation they need. As we all know, gym is pretty much the most very impactful thing in uh, student's life, especially at this time. It's not only just a recreation place, but it's also a place where students can regulate emotions, basically relieve stress, and pretty much cope up with other stuff like that. So what we're applying is that there should be more gym spaces, gym facilities on campus, not only just one, but if we can build more for other students as well, I think that we think that's pretty good.
So our other solution would be midterm wellness checks. Mental health and academic success go hand in hand. When students' mental health fails, so do their grades. By analyzing midterm grades, we can have a health professional reach out at the time of this issue, not before it gets too late before the end of the semester. By reaching out for mental health checks, we will have the ability to set up a plan for their health and academic success moving forward. Iowa State University should be a safe place for all students. Failure is part of growing, and ISU needs to be a place for their facilities to help grow greatness.
Our third and final innovation is live capacity tracking at the gyms. So we're going to introduce a new technology to track the capacity of recreation centers on campus, which is similar to the SciRide and the technology that they possess now. It's going to be based on person to equipment ratio, and we'll use student ID entry and exit swipes as a means of recording the data for how many people are in attendance of a gym. This allows individuals to monitor and choose which times they'd like to attend based on their schedule and based on the current capacity. Some of the benefits would be reduced feelings of gym intimidation as you're allowed to choose exactly when you go when it's not busy. It allows for more focused workouts if you want to be there when there's not so many people, and it creates environments that are adequate with almost all student preferences.
So in conclusion, collectively, our group has developed solutions for student wellness and recreation services through utilizing enhanced programming and technology. Some of these solutions, for example, were the midterm wellness checks and live capacity tracking. Hopefully this shows how our abilities as a group have worked well together and what we can do.